Hey everybody, in this problem we're going to divide 4 and 9/10 by 7, okay? So first of all, come over here and grab a pen or marker. It's up to you. I'm going to go with blue. All right? And we're going to put the 4.9 inside the division box. So 4.9 goes right there, okay? And then the 7 goes on the outside, okay? So now, it's good, before you divide, it's good to always kind of look at the problem and kind of estimate what the answer is going to be. So the question is how many 7s are there in 4.9? Now, 7 is bigger than 4.9, right? So that means we're not going to have 1. We're going to have less than 1. All right, so our answer should be some type of decimal, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to bring this decimal straight on up to the top like this, okay? And we're going to say, can 7 go into 4? And the answer is no, right? So it's going to be 0, okay? And then we're going to say, can 7 go into 49? And the answer is yes, because it goes in 7 times exactly. And then 7 times 7 is 49. And when we subtract, notice we get a 0. And anytime you get a 0 down there, you're done. So our answer is 7/10. So there is 7/10 of a 7 in 4.9.